Ono tau ki muri, I pōhewatia ai a Piggy Pig, me ana hoa I te marae o Murihiku. Whakawhiti ki ēnei wā, koia rā te kairihi tuatahi o ēnei papakāinga hou o te marae nei.
Did you ever imagine it could expand to intergenerational living on the marae?
No. We never thought that anybody would be living on the marae. What I really like about it, I can get around the whole building in my wheelchair, and that's quite hard to do. We've got plenty of sunshine, good warm buildings.
I whai wāhi mai a Pig I tōna whare, nā runga I tōna whakapau wera mo te marae, mai I tōna orokohanga, tai noa ki tēnei wā.
I've been involved, if you like it, for 62 or 63 years. It's never going to change. It's the involvement. You know, in reality, all marae is suffering through lack of support, people to come and work, whether it's in the kitchen or whether it's in the whare for pōwhiris and things. We need to train our older people to really realise that.
He kōhaka reo, he wāhi tauwhiro hāpore, he whare nui anō hoki kei te marae. Wai hoki, mai nei papakāinga, e au ai ngā wawata o te noho a reanga nei.
Even though this for the kaumātua and people like that, a lot of our kaumātua do things up here, get nothing, get nothing. And so if we could give them a home to live in right next to the place they love and come over there and be a part of it, a lot of our kaumātua are still working in the kitchen today. And that's what I want to see. I want to see them not just come in here because they can, I want to see them give them something back.
He oi, ka kore ēnei papakāinga e tū tahanga noa. Ko timata te whakawhanaketanga o ngā papakāinga hou. A ko te mana ko ia, ka tutuki ēnei whare hei tērā tau.
We're building some more over here. There's 10 places altogether. And this time next year, there'll be some more people sleeping over there. And then we'll have another 3 later on when we get the money, get some money. So there's 10 altogether. And there's some more going to be built up later on. And that's for all the whānau for a whānau to come.
I'm really looking forward to our next lot of neighbours when they come.
Ko te mahi mā tēnei kuia o te marae, he whakatā ki tōna whare hou. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te taka.